All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So, crack of dawn. So, dawn is in the morning. Morning, okay. Dawn, let's say sunrise then. Here we are at the start of the day, the sunrise. The sun comes up. Yeah. Like the crack, the very start, the very first glimpse. The very first glimpse of something. At the very start of the morning. The morning. As the sun is coming up. Yeah. The crack, as in the first sight of something. The first sight, the first time you see it. First time and thing you see. Yeah, the very beginning of the day. Yeah. We need to get up at the crack of dawn to climb the mountain. Yeah. How cool is that? The crack of dawn is the perfect time. Yes. Well, I think by waking up at the crack of dawn, I have the most amount of time to do things in the day. Yeah. I can maximize my time, my free time. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, this is the crack of dawn. What? 4:31? It'd be 4:31 a.m. Very early. Very early, yeah. I will get up very early at the crack of dawn. Yes. I need to begin climbing the mountain at the crack of dawn. Yes. Because I will have a long route up and and then I need to get back home. Yeah, very important. How cool is that? Yeah, very important. Do you think that always happens at the crack of dawn? Do you always see that light at the crack of dawn? Yeah, that light. Yeah. Can you see that animal at the crack of dawn? Yeah, maybe. Maybe at the crack of dawn we might see strange things. At the crack of dawn we might see strange things. Yeah, might see strange things. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, might see strange things. Hey, you never know. How cool is that? So, I'm walking through the forest at the crack of dawn. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use crack of dawn in a sentence? And can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah, how cool is that? And you can find me on Udemy, Facebook and Telegram when you search English with Adrian. Very good. And you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, let's keep exploring.